I'm going to be using the book The Pals Can Play from the Piney Pals Decodable Books series. If you don't have this book, that's okay. You can use any decodable book that focuses on consonant P. I'm going to be saying a few words. I want you to use your ears and I want you to listen very carefully because I want you to tell me what sound you hear alike in each one of these words. I will say the word, you will echo. Okay, let's get started. Here we go. Pals, pat, pin. What sound do you hear alike in each of these words? That's right, you hear the p sound. Let's grab our mirrors and see what our mouth is doing when we make this sound. Put your mirror right up to your mouth and make the p sound. What is your mouth doing? You're right, it starts off very tight and then it opens up and a quick puff of air comes out. Now, I want you to make the sound again, but this time I want you to put your hand on your throat and I want you to see if you can feel a vibration. Let's do it together. Here we go. P. Did you feel a vibration? Neither did I. So that means that P is an unvoiced sound. We know that when we make this sound, that our lips are tight, and when our mouth opens up, a quick little puff of air comes out. And this is an unvoiced sound. Go ahead, put your mirrors up. Now, I'm going to write some words on the board. This time you need to use your eyes because I want you to tell me what letter you see alike in each one of these words. P, A, L, S. P, A, T. P, I, N. What letter do you see alike in each one of these words? That's right again. You see the letter P. Today, we are going to focus on consonant P. Let's read each of these words. Pals, pat, pen. Today when you read the book, The Pals Can Play, you will get to practice seeing the letter P and making the P sound. Remember, when you make that sound, your lips start off tight, and when your mouth opens up, a puff of air comes out. And we know that this sound is unvoiced. Thanks so much for joining me today, and remember, you've got this.